Good morning, students. Students will be continuing with the topic how to create more employment. In the last video, there was a discussion on the GDP share of the income. When we have seen in which sector the GDP was the most in 1972, 73 and 2012-13. In that video, you have seen that the GDP contribution was more in the primary sector. Similarly the employment, we have seen that in that graph the employment was more provided more in the agricultural sector, that is the primary sector. And in that graph only you saw that disguised unemployment was also there in the agriculture sector. We'll discuss what is disguised unemployment. That means if there is a land and there are 4 people employed on the same land, but the work can be done by 2 people, so 2 people are more or less unemployed, but they are known as they are not contributing anything. सो उनको हम बोलते हैं डिस्गाइज्ड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, कि हमें दिख तो रहा है वो एम्प्लॉयड है बट उनसे आउटपुट कुछ भी इंक्रीज नहीं हो रहा है. तो अगर एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर, जो कि हम एग्रीगेन इकोनॉमी इंडिया को बोला जाता है, अगर हम ये देखें कि एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर में ही सबसे ज्यादा डिस्गाइज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है, तो हाउ कैन वी इरेडिकेटेड, हम मोर एम्प्लॉयमेंट कैसे प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं, हाउ टू क्रिएट मोर एम्प्लॉयमेंट. Clear? So we will take the case of Lakshmi, which is in the NCERT book of class 10th. We'll take the same example. I would be discussing that how Lakshmi took over to increase. What could the government have done so that the employment can be increased in case of Lakshmi as a case study. If Lakshmi is employed on unirrigated land, so the government can give loans to Lakshmi so that she can build more tube wells so that her land can be irrigated. तो उसका अगर land irrigation में अच्छा हो जाएगा, so output would be increased. So if there are 2 family members in that family, they can give more output. So because the irrigation facilities has been, government has given loan to Lakshmi so that Lakshmi can get more tube wells employed in her fields. Similarly, if construction of government can do many things to increase that employment, if government can construct dams, so irrigation का problem खत्म हो जाएगा, the cultivation of the land would be very easy. If government can build new roads there in nearby areas, electricity can be given to these smaller farms so that irrigation facilities, your electricity facilities, your threshers, your minings can be done, so the output can be increased. When once the output is increased, if 4 family members are there and in the last we was showing that only 2 are working, but now the output has increased, so we can say that the people are employed. Similarly, if mainly roads are constructed, so the Lakshmi family members can go to the town by their own vehicle, or the government can give loans for buying the vehicle to them, so they can go to the towns and villages where the market is, so they can go and sell the product or fruits and vegetables, so that the output is increased. Everybody is employed and everybody is doing their part of work. Similarly, अगर वहाँ पर गवर्नमेंट कुछ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, ट्रैक्टर्स वगैरह इस तरह की चीजें प्रोवाइड करती है, ट्रक्स, मिनी ट्रक्स प्रोवाइड करती है, जमींदार वहां पर मिनी ट्रक्स बिल्डअप करते हैं, द विलेज कैन, Lakshmi can also take loan and have a small mini truck, so storage can be there. Government उन आउटस्कर्ट्स पर स्टोरेज हाउसेस बना दे, then also the employment is increased because the output is increased, the people working there can be increased. Similarly, डैम्स में जो लेबर्स वर्क करेंगे they are also employed. विलेजेस में जो लोग फार्मर्स नहीं बन पाते हैं, लेबर्स हैं, clear, they can get employment. Similarly, storage facilities, the bus drivers, the tractors, the we can say that truck drivers can get the laborers who are getting this they are picking the boris and all, they get employment. So similarly, Lakshmi's members can also be the part of these things. They can also have the small mini truck and go to the towns for better. If you see, if the Himachal apple is grown there, but they come to here in the Greater Noida, and how they are packed by HPs, the tourism is also there, and they are packed and they are produced by these farmers, and the government take care of these things, that they are going to the packaging part, the storage part, the government is doing it, and they are supplying to the other places or other towns of the country. If Lakshmi is given loans for better, in again, see, one problem was water. If government has put dams, if government have given loans for her to create wells, she can also get good seeds. When good seeds are purchased by Lakshmi, good fertilizers are purchased by Lakshmi, because she is getting cheap loan from the banks, government institutions. So here water water problem was eradicated by government also. Similarly, one problem was water, other she can get good seeds also. She can go to towns and buy good seeds and good fertilizers. So then also the occupation can, the output can increase. Everybody is employed in her family to this farm only, because you can do multi-cropping also. If irrigation facilities are increased, good seeds and fertilizers are there, organic fertilizers are used by Lakshmi, so she can do crop farming in the Rabi seasons also. She can go for one food crop and one cash crop. Similarly, Lakshmi can get cheap agricultural credit also. What do you mean by cheap agricultural credit? Because Lakshmi would be going to the money lenders for getting this what do you say that money lenders ke paas she go for getting this loan. So what she can do, she can get the cheap loans for government institutions only. Government can provide you these loans, and if she get cheap agricultural credit by the loans, not the money lenders, because money lenders charge you very high. So but if she get good cheap loans from the agricultural credit, agricultural sector, so she can get these facilities also. She can get many good things, but like threshers, tractors in her own, and then she can provide with these increase the output. अगर वो मनी लेंडर्स के पास ना जाके गवर्नमेंट ही स्मॉल लोन्स प्रोवाइड करे फार्मर्स को, सो उसे हम बोलेंगे चीप एग्रीकल्चरल क्रेडिट, जो आप अभी थर्ड चैप्टर में यू विल बी स्टडिंग इन मनी एंड क्रेडिट, हाउ द फार्मर्स गेट चीप क्रेडिट. So if the government gives cheap credit to farmers, not the money lenders, because they charge high rate of interest from these farmers. So when these small farmers take the less interest from banks, from small scale banks, they can purchase their own seeds, they can purchase their own good fertilizers, they can have their own small tractors, they can have their own small tools. So many things can be done, and the employment and the output both increase. Another way of also increasing the employment is when there some industries can be located by these government, and the small scale industries can come up in these rural and semi rural areas. अगर हम देखें कि स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज आ जाए हमारे रूरल एरियाज में, तो क्या हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, one case we will discussing, if the farmers are producing pulses, for example they are producing arad dal, so if the dal mill is very nearby, so the farmers can produce and they just go for these threshing and all, for the coating and all to these industries, and you can get the output there. So small, those who are not farmers, they can work as laborers who is coating the dals and all. Similarly, storage, the product is being produced by the farmers, but storage is being given by the potatoes and onions, which can be really the damage can be avoided when you are storing it in the storage areas. Good ACs are there which are provided by these industrialists, so that the potatoes and onions which the farmers are producing should go to the towns and they can ask for their good amount. Otherwise they are just terrified कि हमारा सामान खराब हो जाएगा, so they sell on the lower wages. Similarly, you can process good vegetables, process the fruits also. Honey collection centers can be there to the nearby these honey areas, जहाँ पर बहुत सारा हनी होता है, मधुमक्खियाँ हैं, जहाँ पर गांव होते हैं, वहाँ पर honey creation centers, you have very good organic honey, you can get it from there. So these things in the rural areas, these services can be increased and this can be taken care. I can discuss one example with you. Once we went to Goa, there was a place which was 2 to 3 hours run from Goa, which is very good in spices. There they have shown us कि हम वहाँ पर अच्छे spices और organic spices बनाते हैं, बट वहाँ पर एंट्री का भी चार्ज था एंड यू विल गेट दैट टिकट में आपको खाना भी मिलेगा, एंड प्लस वहाँ पर वो सारे आपको ऑर्गेनिक स्पाइसेस प्रोड्यूस कैसे होते हैं वो दिखाएंगे. Very good. This was kind of a tourist place. We went there, we bought the ticket, and the very good thing was there, when we went for these areas, the women were working. They were taking here to show. They were taking us to show the production also. Plus, they were producing the inbuilt. You cannot get anything from outside. Plus the homemade dal, the production was from their village only, where they were showing the production. वहीं से उन्होंने हमें खाना खिलाया. दाल, अरहर दाल, the potato, there was a own production, and they were employed also because the females were working there only, and you cannot get any other thing. The chips were also, banana chips were also there, the potato chips, they were all made by these villages. So in output was also increased. The tourism was also there. So this states, the government can do these things where you can see that good tourism is there. So in India we can focus on these things when we want to increase more employment by utilizing these agricultural sector only in the our more employment, by providing more employment facilities. So these can be done by the government also, by the villages also, by the panchayats also, so that employment can be the disguised employment, which, because one way we are saying that the in employment सबसे ज़्यादा कहाँ पर है, एग्रीकल्चरल सेक्टर में, डिस्गाइज भी एम्प्लॉयमेंट सबसे ज़्यादा वहीं है, तो हम उस डिस्गाइज एम्प्लॉयमेंट को मोर एम्प्लॉयमेंट में कैसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. फॉर दैट इज वाई आई एम सेइंग दैट प्लीज रीड द पॉइंट्स फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 24. Clear? Page number 24 from the NCERT book. Later of this topic we'll discuss in our later video. Thank you for now. Have a nice day. Stay blessed, students.